Well, this is the first test, video test, and audio test of the new Akaso Brave 7. Not the Brave 7 LE, but the Brave 7. The LE was the launch edition, which was their launch edition of the dual screen action camera. This one now is the official edition. A little bit on the windy side. It's supposed to accept an external microphone. I believe that one is on its way to me as we speak, but I just want to do a quick little audio test with this. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. And keeping in mind this is just handheld, just walking around the pool, and we'll walk through the yard. And as you can tell, it is a very cloudy day, so not the perfect lighting conditions for an action camera. I think even the GoPros would struggle with this just a little bit, but also keep in mind that the GoPro, you can kind of change your settings, your ISO and all that. So far so good, at least on the back of the screen. I'll stick it in the computer and see how the first look is.